welcome back to another video from Self-Loving Life with Sierra. It's your girl Sierra, and today I'm gonna just go ahead and do a little self-love video, okay? Just, show y'all the vibes and stuff like that, so y'all just come along with me. I'm back, y'all. Now I'm just about to, I know y'all loving the new corner. I think that's gonna be another video where I show the whole house, but look at the new corner, y'all. It just looks so good. But yeah, now I'm about to go do some meditation with this grounding crystal, the hematite. I'll go do some meditation out in nature. And I fought about 3 spiders today because look, y'all, my big trees, there's so much nature that there's always insects and stuff, so yeah. Now let's see if I can sit y'all down.